Alright, so we got some more parts in, so you know, gotta show you what I got. So, this is it. These are LS2K diamond pistons. They say they're good till 2,000 to 2,000 horsepower. Way more power than I'm ever gonna use, so or be wanting out of these. American made. They're built right here in the lovely United States. Billet CNC machined, gas ported. You know, we got priority oiling here for the pin. Nice rigid design for the webbing. Beautiful, beautiful piece, man. DLC coated on the skirts. This is a 4.030 or 03, same shit. Comes with some AP rings, Total Seal, Tool Steel H13 wrist pins. These are, I believe it's 0.927. Nice and thick, nice and beefy, tooled steel, harder than your regular pen. Good, more rigidity. These are just because there's support rails for the bottom ring, the oil ring. So I decided to go with these over, you know, some cheaper, comparable priced pistons out there. I like Diamond's engineering. How that design on the bottom end of that skirt is, it's proprietary to them. You know, you see the truss, like they're like gussets, if you will. They also have them up on the top part of the piston as well. Let me pull this out. Now, I'm not a engine builder by a long shot. Built a few motors, but nothing with really high-end aftermarket parts like this. So, but I just like the design. You know, you can tell they put time into taking weight away from where they felt wasn't necessary. There's a good amount of support here for the pin. They're not fully skirted design. I save you a little bit of weight. Got some more gusseting here. They come, you know, DLC coated already. It's not some custom extra price stuff. See, they have a top gas port for the top ring as well. And you got gas porting. Well, so I guess it's not really got gas porting, but technically that's what it is for the oil drain back. This is a flat top with valve reliefs. Nice beefy ring land up top. I'm not a fan of the support or oil support rings, but compared to back in the day when they first came out, I mean, I've never heard of anyone having issues with them nowadays. So yeah, they're gorgeous, man. Yeah, I think I'm gonna start doing videos like this. There's not a lot of videos for parts online. I don't know why that is, but like if you go look for LS2K pistons, you'll see like a bunch of infomercials, no one giving their opinion on what they like about them or anything like that. So I got a bunch of other parts coming in. Actually, most of them are here, so I'm gonna start doing little shorts like this just to keep you guys up to date. So all right, enough jabbering, running my mouth. Again, I'm not a crazy insane engine builder, so don't take my word for it. Do your own research. Matter of fact, it's 2024, man. Go to ChatGTP and do a ChatGTP motor and let me know how it works out, because it should work out great. So anyways, enough running my mouth. Appreciate the support like usual. See you in the next one. Deuces.